guys, welcome back, and this is another video from Tech with Flies. And in this video we're going to be learning about what a new operating system that I found that is actually really cool. I think it's a replacement for Windows 10, and this is a gift from me for 2021. Happy New Year, guys. So let's get started. So if you guys don't know what operating system is, it's basically like right now I'm on an operating system which is Windows right now. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a new operating system. It's called Deepin. I'm gonna telling you guys information about Deepin. So guys, Deepin is a free operating system that uses Linux kernel, and it is one of the most popular Chinese Linux distribution, and it is based on Deepin. So the goal with Deepin is to make it easy to install and use onto a computer, and Deepin can be used on all types of personal computers. So I did it on my computer, and actually I didn't do it on the computer. I made a virtual machine of the of Deepin. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna connect it. So let's start it. I'm still on Windows. Alright. I actually love Deepin. Deepin is like one of the best Linux things I've ever seen. So let's get it started. Alright, there we go. So you guys see the home screen. It says the time right here, the date, it's Saturday, and then it tells what version we're on. We're on 20.1, and it's Deepin. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my password, and voila. I actually like everything in this. So you guys see the so we're in right now. So I'm gonna be telling you guys everything in Deepin. So let's say it pretty much has like everything that Windows has, so no need to spend more money on Windows license and everything. You guys can just go ahead on Deepin and download it. I don't know, it took me like 2 hours to download it, and then you guys can put in a USB and then put it in a computer, but I would do it on a virtual machine first, so you can see if it gives you an error or not. So if you guys do it on your computer, it might like ruin the computer or something. Well, let's get started. So let's say you guys want to do, let me show you guys the apps before. So this is the App Store right here. Let's go in the App Store, and then we have at the home it says Hot Apps, and then we go in Rankings. This is like the top apps that's being used. So WeChat, and then VLC Player, GIMP is really good software too. And then let's go in Internets, see what's in the Internets. See, there's Chrome, there's Firefox, there's Opera, there's a tons of things. There's TeamViewer, there's AnyDesk, so whatever you guys want to use. And then we go in Chat if you guys want to chat, you know. So let's go in Chats, and then we got QQ, and then we got WhatsApp, and then we got all type of we got Skype. Okay, and then let's go in Music. Let's see what's in Music. Okay, we got Google Play, we got all type MP3, we got all types of music applications. Let's go in Videos. I'm thinking in videos can most likely be like movie players and stuff. So VLC Player, one of the most populars. Popcorn Time, Lightworks, Handbrakes, OBS Studios. Let's go in Graphics, and then let's see what they put in Graphics. Alright, there's GIMP, there's Gthumb, there's Kerta, Draw, Painter, Album. Let's go in Games. Let's see what they got. Alright, they got Minecraft, they got Steam, they got basically everything you guys want. And I actually installed some of the stuff in the office. I installed WPS 2019 and Libra. It's actually pretty good. Whatever you guys want. Libra is a free, it's an open source work. So let's go in reading. If you guys like reading, you know, there's stuff for reading. And then development, which I'm doing these days. So they should be, yeah, they got Visual Studio Code, they got PyCharm, and then they got Sea Lion, which is on C++, and then let's see what they got in system. I hope you guys like this gift, because you know it's hard, like this stuff, it's not that, like, it's pretty, I actually like, you know, Deepin, because I was just searching about, like, you know, how, what type of free operating system is, you know, why we need to spend like $50 on a Microsoft license and install it. It's like way much. Like whenever you guys buy a new computer, you always get the, like, most likely you will get the home window 10, which is not that cool because you can't do much stuff on it. So let's say we want to go to a browser. Let's say we want to install Google. Let's go, actually let's install it from the App Store. Let's install it from the App Store. They have it. So ranking, and there we got Chrome, and install. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. And then if you guys want to install Firefox, right here you got Firefox. This has basically everything you guys need. You don't need to spend more money on a Windows license, because I've seen like a lot of people spending more, like, because like everybody doesn't have money to spend on like a computer. Like let's say you have an old computer that has Windows X on it, and it's expired and you can't do anything, so most likely you'll throw it away. But the computer works, it's good, but you can't like install any new Windows on it. Well, Deepin, you can install Deepin on it. You can use it on all types of personal computers. That's what I like about Deepin. So let's give it some time. Also, while that's happening, let's say you guys want to go on YouTube. Oh, yep, there we go. YouTube was on. You see, and there we go. You have YouTube, and then you have everything. If you want to check the calendar, it's Saturday, 2021, 2nd. So I love the software, and I hope you guys too. So let's see if it's downloaded. And also, if you guys want to shut it down, let's say if you want to shut your computer down, you go over here to the power settings. You can shut it down, you can reboot it, you can suspend it. Suspend basically means like it's gonna go to sleep, and then you can hibernate it, you can lock it, you can switch user, and you can log out. And if you guys want to see your like how much RAM it's using and stuff, you can go to Start System Monitor, and over here we can see the CPU, the memory, the swap, the download, all that stuff right here. And then it'll tell us all the stuff, like how much it's using. It's using this system monitor is using 3.5% of the CPU. Right now the CPU is at 100%. So basically it has everything. So I hope you guys like this gift, because I made a virtual machine on it, and you don't need to if if you're doing on I gave this 2 GB RAM. It's working pretty fine. There we go. Chrome is installed. Alright, let's go over here to the launcher. Alright. And let's put it right here. Alright, there we go. Alright. And then we turn it on. And then there we go. Voila. We got Google. Alright, so I hope you guys like this app. It's pretty cool to me because first of all, we don't need to spend that much money on Windows anymore, Windows license anymore. We can just, this is a replacement for Windows. That's what I think it is. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye bye.